Hi, welcome to the online lecture of exercise of lecture 10. Okay, in lecture 10 what they tell us is to do the retrosynthesis and forward synthesis of this compound. Okay? How we can do it? Okay, remember always that what we do is basically first we break this carbon-nitrogen bond where we have between the two nitrogens. Okay, and this can come easily from this is nothing more than somehow an imine. Okay, that this can come from a ketone plus an amine. Okay, if we take a look, now we have another somehow an amine that can come from basically the reaction of this diketone plus this urea. Okay? We can do this connection opposite. It means we can break first this bond and this other. Yes. Basically, the reaction will be the same. Okay? Okay, and this will come from exactly the same. Okay? Remember that this type of compounds always we break these bonds and these bonds. Okay? Alright, then when we have this compound, if we want to do that forward synthesis, we start with one free carbonyl compound, and then we add, in this case, the urea. Okay, this is an amine, this is a ketone. That means that what will happen is first we do this, hemiaminal, and then this can evolve. We protonate this, always with acid media. We protonate the OH, we form water, it's a very good living group, and then we generate the imine to form Okay, when we have this, basically what we can do is we protonate again this time the other carbonyl compound, and then the amine will attack the same than before. What we are doing is making this carbon more electrophilic, protonating the carbonyl group, and what we got is we generate this intermediate, and then this intermediate we protonate in order to eliminate water. And we generate this compound. Okay, and this basically is the final compound. We can do a tautomerization. Okay, imine, enamine. What we get this, and again we can do somehow a tautomerization here. We put this hydrogen. What we are doing basically is to put this hydrogen in the oxygen and generating a double bond here, and what we get is the final compound. Okay? Okay, what is the most important of today is that you recognize that when we are doing this type of compound, this is always coming from one free carbon compound plus urea, if we have a wedge here, if we have a thiol, will come from a thiourea, etc. If we have a nitrogen, will come from a guanidine. Okay, this is the most important, that you remember that the recrossynthesis of these compounds are coming from one free carbonyl compound plus thiourea or urea or guanidine, depending of what heteroatom we have here. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention, and with this we finish the online exercise for the lectures. Okay? Please, sometimes, or the major part of the times, I don't put all the steps one by one, because I suppose that you know how to synthesize, for example, a hemiaminal. Okay? You know all the steps for the hemiaminal, or how to do elimination with water. Please, at home, try to do it with all the steps. If you have any doubt, please contact me by email, by Teams, by Blackboard collaboration, whatever you prefer. Okay? Remember that I am available in any lecture slot to answer any question that you have about the course. Okay? Thank you very much, and see you soon.